AccuMount Tool's Keyhole Companion Marking Tool Set, a must-have for easy marking. The AccuMount Tools Keyhole Companion Marking Tool Set is designed to make your marking jobs quick, simple, and accurate. Instead of struggling with pencils or markers that don't show up well, this tool gives you a clean line with just one swipe. It works on wood, plastic, metal, and many other surfaces, making it a versatile companion for all kinds of DIY and professional projects. What makes it even better is the dual ink option. The set includes both black and white ink, so no matter if you're working on a light or dark surface, your marks will always be visible and clear. It's especially useful for rough or tricky surfaces where normal markers often fade or smudge. And if you ever need to remove a mark, it's just as easy. A simple magic eraser or a bit of denatured alcohol wipes it away without any mess or damage. Alpha 1. The Alpha One, also called the Royal Alpha One, is a breathtaking concept yacht that brings together minimalist design and luxury in a compact yet striking form. Measuring 65 feet in length, this vessel immediately catches attention with its sharp, angular lines and futuristic style, making it look more like a piece of modern art than a traditional yacht. While full details of the interior haven't been revealed, the concept renderings show an open floor plan that uses large panels of glass to provide wide, uninterrupted views of the ocean. This makes the space feel airy, elegant, and perfectly connected to the sea around it. Designed by the renowned Lazzarini studio, known for their bold and visionary creations, the Alpha One continues their tradition of pushing boundaries in yacht design. Though it remains a concept, the idea highlights how compact yachts can still deliver high-end comfort and style. Arcadia A96. The Arcadia A96 is a 96-foot yacht that perfectly blends luxury, style, and eco-friendly innovation. Launched in 2023 by the Italian brand Arcadia Yachts, it is known as the first crossover yacht, designed for people who want high-end comfort while staying connected to nature. Its lightweight fiberglass hull improves efficiency, while huge windows flood the interior with natural light, giving a sense of openness and calm on the water. Sustainability is at the heart of the A96. The yacht uses solar panels to reduce reliance on fuel, making trips cleaner and environmentally conscious. Despite its eco-friendly design, the yacht is powerful and smooth, reaching speeds of up to 23 knots thanks to Volvo Penta engines, so you can enjoy performance without sacrificing efficiency. Inside, the Arcadia A96 is all about luxury and comfort. Archer Midnight. The Archer Midnight is an innovative electric aircraft designed to transform the way people travel within cities. Known as an eVTOL, or electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, it's built specifically for short urban trips, offering a faster, quieter, and greener solution compared to cars or even helicopters. With its sleek design and advanced engineering, the Midnight can carry up to 5 passengers comfortably, making it perfect for quick commutes. It features 12 propellers in total, 6 tilt propellers that can change angles to allow smooth vertical takeoff, landing, and forward flight, and 6 fixed propellers that provide extra thrust for stability and efficiency. This setup not only improves performance, but also makes the aircraft much quieter than traditional helicopters, reducing noise in busy city areas. Azimuth S6. The Azimuth S6 is a sleek and sporty yacht made for those who love speed, luxury, and the thrill of the open water. Its carbon fiber hull makes it lightweight and strong, cutting smoothly through waves while saving fuel and reducing emissions. Powered by 3 Volvo Penta IPS engines, the S6 can reach exciting top speeds of 35 knots, while cruising comfortably at 30 knots for smooth, long journeys. Inside, the yacht is all about comfort and style. Large windows let in plenty of natural light, creating a bright, relaxing atmosphere. With 3 spacious guest cabins, the Azimuth S6 can comfortably host 6 people, while a dedicated crew cabin ensures onboard staff have their own space. The interior layout is perfect for relaxing after a day of adventure, combining luxury with practicality. The outdoor areas are just as impressive. The expansive aft deck offers plenty of room for lounging or entertaining friends, and the swim platform makes it easy to jump into the water. Blade battery technology, a safer and smarter future for EVs. Blade battery technology by BYD is transforming the future of electric vehicles with its focus on safety, performance, and efficiency. Unlike traditional bulky batteries, the Blade battery is made of long, slim cells shaped like blades, packed together in a smart, compact design. This unique cell-to-pack system removes the need for extra modules, allowing more than 50% better use of space. This means electric cars can travel farther without needing bigger or heavier batteries, making them more efficient and practical for everyday use. Safety is where the Blade battery truly shines. Traditional lithium-ion batteries often raise concerns about overheating and fire risks, but BYD's innovation has set new standards. The Blade battery has gone through extreme tests, including nail penetration, crushing, and exposure to very high temperatures. The Buick Wildcat EV is a breathtaking concept car that gives us a clear look at Buick's future in the electric vehicle world. Designed as a sleek 2+2 coupe, it immediately grabs attention with its forward-leaning stance, flowing roofline, and a sharp, tapered rear that looks both modern and sporty. The designers added eye-catching details like semi-swinging doors that make getting in and out easy, along with bold, 18-spoke turbine wheels inspired by the jet age, giving the car a futuristic yet classy vibe. Inside, the Wildcat EV offers more than just style. It introduces a whole new driving experience. The interior hints at cutting-edge features like biometric authentication for personalized security, artificial intelligence for smarter assistance, and even aromatherapy to create a relaxing atmosphere while driving. These touches show how Buick aims to blend technology, comfort, and innovation in ways drivers have never seen before. Draft Top Lift, a smarter way to enjoy your drink. The Draft Top Lift is a unique and handy gadget that makes drinking from cans much more fun and convenient. Instead of using a regular opener that leaves a sharp edge or needing to pour your drink into a plastic cup, this tool neatly removes the entire top of an aluminum can. The result is a smooth edge, so you can drink straight from the can safely, almost like using a cup. It's especially popular in beer-loving countries where people enjoy the idea of improving their drinking experience without extra hassle. What makes the Draft Top Lift even better is its user-friendly design. It works perfectly for both right-handed and left-handed people, so no one feels left out. Its compact size means you can easily carry it in your pocket or bag, making it ideal for parties, camping trips, barbecues, or any outdoor gathering. At just $22, it's affordable and adds a fun twist to your drink time. The Envo electric snow cart is a game changer for winter fun, combining adventure, comfort, and eco-friendly technology in one exciting ride. Unlike traditional sleds or bulky snowmobiles, this compact electric cart is designed to glide effortlessly across snowy landscapes, giving you a smooth and thrilling experience. Powered by a strong battery and motor, it runs quietly without gas or fumes, making it a cleaner and more sustainable choice for enjoying the outdoors. What makes the snow cart special is its unique design that balances speed with stability. Philo FW06. The Philo FW06 is a futuristic electric scooter that brings style, performance, and eco-friendly power together in one sleek design. Built with cutting-edge technology, this scooter is perfect for modern city riders who want something compact yet powerful. Its bold, sporty look instantly stands out, while its smooth electric motor delivers a quiet but thrilling ride that feels effortless on busy streets. What makes the FW06 special is its balance of speed and range. With strong acceleration, it can handle daily commutes with ease, and its long-lasting battery ensures you don't have to worry about charging too often. The scooter is also designed with smart features that make riding safer and more enjoyable, like a digital display, reliable brakes, and comfortable seating for longer trips. Hanging pictures and frames on the wall often turns into a stressful task. Measuring, leveling, and trying to guess the right spot for nails usually ends with mistakes, crooked frames, or extra holes in the wall. The Go Hang It tool was created to solve exactly this problem and make the process quick and simple. Instead of struggling with separate tools, Go Hang It combines everything you need into one. It has a built-in level to keep your frames perfectly straight, special hooks to hold them in place, and a marking pin that shows the exact spot for your nail or screw. With this handy tool, you can hang a single frame or even create a full gallery wall in minutes without stress or frustration. It's designed to make sure you get it right the first time, saving you both time and effort. No more uneven pictures or wasted energy fixing mistakes. Just place your frame, use Go Hang It to mark the spot, and you're ready to go. Priced at only $37, this simple yet clever gadget is a must-have for anyone who loves decorating their home. It makes hanging pictures easier, faster, and much more enjoyable. Hyundai Supernal. Hyundai is revolutionizing city travel with the Supernal SA2, an electric air taxi expected to launch by 2028. This futuristic aircraft can carry 4 passengers along with their luggage, offering a comfortable and modern travel experience. Initially, the SA2 will be piloted by a human, but Hyundai plans to make it fully autonomous in the future. It features 8 tilting rotors, 4 at the front and 4 at the back, that lift the aircraft straight up for takeoff and then tilt forward for smooth, fast horizontal flight. With a cruising speed of 120 miles per hour and a range of 25 to 40 miles, it's perfect for zipping between city centers and suburbs, helping passengers avoid traffic jams and save time. Noise reduction has been a key focus, making it much quieter than traditional helicopters. While pricing details are not yet revealed, the Supernal SA2 shows a glimpse of the future of urban commuting. Joby Aviation. Joby Aviation is changing the way we travel in cities with its electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL air taxi. This futuristic aircraft is designed to make commuting faster, quieter, and more convenient by skipping traffic jams altogether. With 6 powerful rotors, the Joby air taxi can take off and land vertically, so it doesn't need long runways like traditional planes. This means it can operate from vertiports placed on rooftops or other urban spaces. Jog-along stroller. The jog-along stroller is the perfect choice for parents who love staying active without missing time with their kids. Whether you enjoy jogging, brisk walking, or just a relaxing stroll, this stroller is built to keep up with your lifestyle. Its standout feature is the unique moving handlebars that follow the natural motion of your arms. This makes pushing the stroller easier, more comfortable, and perfectly in rhythm with your stride, so you can focus on enjoying your workout while your child rides safely. It's built with a strong frame and a smooth suspension system, giving your child a comfortable ride even on rough or uneven ground. The large wheels glide easily over different surfaces, so you can take it from city sidewalks to park trails without worry. Safety is also a top priority, with reliable brakes and a sturdy canopy to protect your little one from sun or wind. Lift Aircraft. Lift Aircraft is revolutionizing personal transportation with its Hexa, the world's first electric vertical takeoff and landing passenger drone. This exciting aircraft brings the dream of personal flight to reality, allowing people to bypass traffic and reach their destinations quickly and efficiently. Designed for everyone, the Hexa focuses on accessibility, making flying fun and easy, even for those with no piloting experience. Safety is a top priority, with advanced systems ensuring smooth, stable, and secure flights. The Hexa features user-friendly controls, so anyone can experience the thrill of flying without extensive training. Its multi-rotor design provides reliable performance and stability, giving passengers confidence in every journey. By combining cutting-edge technology with simplicity and convenience, Lift Aircraft envisions a future where personal flight is as common and practical as driving a car. Imagine commuting over city traffic, enjoying breathtaking aerial views, or taking short trips in minutes. What used to feel like science fiction is now becoming possible. The Hexa opens new possibilities for travel, offering freedom, speed, and an entirely new perspective on moving from one place to another. With Lift Aircraft, the sky is no longer the limit. It's just the beginning of a smarter, faster, and more exciting way to travel.